Shrimp and grits. It's one of those dishes that smells like comfort and tastes like home. But getting it right? That's where people struggle. Either the shrimp ends up rubbery or the grits somehow taste like wallpaper paste. Relatable? Let's talk golden grits because they're the foundation. Quick tip, don't use instant grits, ever. They taste like sadness. Stone ground grits are the way to go. They take longer, sure, but imagine sticking your spoon into creamy, velvety perfection. Worth it. To start, you'll need 4 cups of low-sodium chicken broth. Water? Why bother? 1 cup of stone ground grits, and 1 cup of heavy cream. Yes, cream. You want silky grits, not regret, right? The secret here is liquid to grits ratio. Keep it 5:1. Bring that stock to a boil, then whisk in the grits slowly. Don't just dump them. Slow and steady keeps them smooth. Once mixed, lower the heat. Cover and stir every 5 minutes or risk ending up with something glue adjacent. Stay vigilant. After about 40 minutes, they'll be tender. That's where the heavy cream comes in. Stir it in with 2 tablespoons of butter. Oh, and don't skimp on salt and pepper. Undersalted grits are like a movie with no climax. Flat and forgettable. Now to the shrimp. People overcomplicate this, but here's the hack. Marinate them for 15 minutes in a mix of 1 teaspoon Old Bay, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, 4 cloves minced garlic, and 1 tablespoon olive oil. Simple, impactful, no frills. Get a cast iron skillet ripping hot. Add 2 tablespoons of butter because life's too short for dry shrimp. Cook them in a single layer, 1 minute per side. That's it. Don't babysit them. Shrimp turns chewy the second you second-guess yourself. Here's where the magic happens. Layering flavors. Set shrimp aside and in the same skillet, toss in diced andouille sausage. Let it brown up. You want those caramelized edges. Then add a 1/2 cup diced onions and 1/2 cup bell peppers. Sauté until softened. Deglaze the pan with 1/2 cup white wine or chicken broth, whatever's open. Scrape up the brown bits because that's where flavor lives. Stir in 1 cup heavy cream and whisk until it thickens. This is your sauce. Taste, season, boss-level vibes. To assemble, spoon a generous serving of those creamy grits onto a plate. Add a layer of that savory sausage sauce, and crown it with those perfectly cooked shrimp. Sprinkle a bit of chopped parsley and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice to finish. The result? A dish that's a symphony of textures. Creamy, buttery grits supporting plump, juicy shrimp and smoky sausage in a dreamy sauce. You're done. Shrimp and grits don't just feed you, they hug you from the inside. And if you're out here thinking, can I skip the butter and cream? Sure, but don't. Some dishes are meant to be indulgent. Shrimp and grits demand respect and dairy. Why half do something when you can fully devastate in the best way possible?